Oh, bro, what you do? Shut up, bro, before I show my balls. Stop screaming. Bro, what? Huh? What the flip does that mean? How does it tickle your bum, bro? You're gay. Oh, what the heck, bro? Oh, I should have worn more layers. It's cold. It's like 5 degrees out, bro. Sheesh. Very good. Wear your stuff properly, bro. What the heck is this? We're inside your bag, innit?
You're kind of wet, man.
Whose fault is that? Yeah. Bro, what you...
Inside the bag.
What clown, bro? Bro. I have to be very careful and leaning and stuff because it's really cold. I can easily slip. Oh, flip, I went the wrong way. Oh, come on, man. Can I still? I'm gonna be risky, alright? Okay. I'm on the wrong side of the road right now. Need to be careful of this clown. Yeah. He's probably like, what the heck? It's cold, isn't it? Bro, it's like 5 degrees, bro. What are you talking about? Alright, yeah? That's crazy. Bro, the helmet carrier thing is off my bum, man. The helmet carrier I have. What an idiot, bro. Look how far he is now, can you see? Oh, look at that train though. That's nice. No, I was on the phone with Dad. What the heck? Wait, why did he stop? No, why? But why? He's not supposed to be stopping. Oh, I clapped that domino, bro. No, never mind. There still can be a lady one. E! Trash! Trash! Motorbike's better. Yeah, and trash. I'm not hearing that. I can't even hear it. Yeah, but can I hear it? Nah. Trash. Hey, motorbike's better, bro. Hey, you see the police car? I can't even go past him. Should I filter past him? Nah, I don't know, man. Yeah, Domino car is so sketchy, bro. Look out behind it is. but can I hit that car? No. He thinks it's probably thieves, do you hear that? He didn't even look. If you put it next to the engine, it'd be hot. But don't burn your gloves.
2 people, the small one, yeah?
Yeah.
The small kids one.
No small today.
Thank you, bro.
Beautiful. Was it on that? On that?
Yeah. I don't want to help you out. He hasn't realized someone wants to come in. Brother, leave it. Hopefully it should fit. Gonna take it on the road. The foot. I swear, bro's a bodybuilder, innit? See that? What was that? Oh, was that you? Oh, that's a slab. Yo, I'm gonna take it on the road, innit? And then you can hop on. The heck, bro? I'm gonna turn around over here, okay? Swear down, these taxi drivers be parking anywhere, bro. It literally says bus lane. What? Yo, bro! Go on, hop on. You good? Don't crush the food, bro. Yeah. Huh? What the flip does that mean? How does it tickle your bum, bro? You're gay! Bro, that's a sick car. I swear all RS3 boys are like that. Don't get off. Oh, bro, what are you doing? Stay by the bike. Cause... Thank you, bro. Oh. So that's the heaviest. And give me that one. Bro. Yeah. I got my own back warmer. It's not like I'll be doing fast speeds anyway. Strong. I have to start gym again, you know. Normally I can lift you up. Are you an idiot, bro? It don't matter if you just slip that one moment. Oh, here we go. We have a world's perfect taxi driver over here. Bro, either that's one like legally abiding flipping taxi driver, or he's actually on his phone or something. Bro, my balls are getting crushed and my food's getting crushed. Shut up, bro, before I show my balls. Stop screaming. That's the people I have to be scared of. Look at this. Oh my flipping days. I don't know if that's an old guy or that's an RS3 man. Is that my friend? Is that Matt? Is that? No, it's not him. I thought it's him. Oh. That was my friend, you know. Shut your mouth, bro. You wanna see how bright my lights are? Yeah! Shut up! I have to be slow here because it's rained there, innit? guy, bro. 20 miles per hour. Ah! This guy. Drive slow, bro. Bro, it looks like a goofy as well. Just be careful. Hey, oh, okay. Sheesh, I thought it's coming behind me, innit? Oh, I had R1, man. I had R1. Shh, look at this idiot. Look at this idiot. Yo, I thought he's gonna whoop. Every person who sees a bike and they want to join in, they'll be like, yeah, I had R1, you know. I have R1. That's the only bike they'll know. I used to cycle as well, innit? It's so stupid riding on the road, I think. And who's this? Hey!
Sa barangay,